Hi everyone, I wanted to update you this week on some fantastic partnership work that's been going on since May last year between the Council, South Wales Police and various other partners including the BID, Health and Housing Partners called Merthyr Tudful together. Collectively we've been working to make our town centre safer and I got some great results to share with you. Since the 1st of May 25 there has been an overall reduction of 11.3% in reported crime, a 12.9% reduction in shoplifting, a 24.6% reduction in public order offences, a 26.6% reduction in street crime, and a 25.4% reduction in antisocial behaviour. This teamwork approach is clearly shown some great results, but it doesn't stop there. The Council's community safety team participated in the South Wales Police Winter of Action campaign, which has also given us a fantastic set of results. Back in October last year, the town centre became one of 2 Crime Stopper zones in Merthyr Tudful, with the second being in the Wythnos. Residents in both zones are encouraged to speak up about criminal activity through Crime Stopper's unique reporting service, safe in the knowledge that the information they will provide will remain confidential. In addition to this, our CCTV and community safety wardens are keeping you safe, with our wardens out and about in the town centre speaking with local businesses, shoppers and CCTV keeping an eye on things. The team has been vital in capturing evidence from theft of vehicle-related nuisance and work closely with local businesses and partners to proactively prevent crimes. We want our town centre to be a place where people feel safe to work, visit and return. So we hope that all this work helps to make that goal a reality. Speaking of the town centre, on the 23rd of March, groundworks will be starting on the Riverside Plasa play area. I'm really excited for this development to start to take shape. I think it'll be a great addition to the town centre for all families. Finally, this will be my last update for a while. We're about to start the pre-election period before the Senedd election on the 7th of May. So I'll be back with my weekly updates after the election. In the meantime, please keep an eye on our website and social media pages for the most recent news and up-to-date information. That's all for me. Have a great weekend and I'll see you all soon. Diolch.